Hello, hi students. Today in this video, we're going to see some problems on finding HCF and LCM of numbers by prime factorization method. So we are going to see one question. Find the HCF and LCM of 90 and 144 by the prime factorization method. First, let us prime factorize 90. So the first prime number is 2. Why we are selecting 2? In other sense, 0 is a even number, so we can select 2 and we can get 2 into 45 times 90. Then we can take here, when you add 4 and 5, we get 9. So this number is divisible by 3. So when you divide by 3, we get 15. Again, this is 1 plus 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. So this number is a multiple of 3, so we can use 3 again. So 5 times 5 is a prime, 3 5 is a 15. 5 is a prime number, we can stop this one. So the prime factorization of 90 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That we can write as 2 into 3 square into 5. 3 into 3, 3 square we can write it. The next number we can select 144. So if you select 144, even number 4 is there, so we can select 2. 72 times. It's very easy to find it because half of 144 is 72. 72 is an even number, so we can divide by 2. So how many times we get it? So in 7, 3 times is there. 1 we can carry over. 3 2s are 6. 1 carry 12, 16 times. 6 times. So 36 we get. Again 36 even number. So we can do it by 2 divided by. So we get 18. So 2 18s are 36. Again this number is even number. We can select 2 9 times. 9 is a multiple of 3, so we can divide by 3. So this prime factorization of 100. So next we are going to find the HCF of these two numbers. So next we have to do it, find the HCF. For that we have to list out the common prime factors and its least exponents. So we have, what are the common prime factors? So we have prime factors which are common. So 2 is common and 3 also common. So first we are selecting 2. And in this 2, what is its least exponent? Its least exponent, if you see 4 and 1, so 1 is least. The next common factor we are selecting that 3. 3 is common. What is the least exponent? If you see both are having 2, so we are selecting 2 because it is equal. If it is a least, then we can select the least number. Now, but it is not least, so we select the what is that common number, that is 2. So HCF is equal to, we are writing 2 raised to the power 1 into 3 raised to the power 2, which is equal to 2 into 9. 3 square is 9, which is equal to 18. So we found the HCF, that is 18. Now let us find the LCM. Next we are going to find the LCM. For finding LCM, we need to list out all the prime numbers, prime factors of both numbers, all the prime numbers, prime factors. Then we have to write the greatest exponent of it. For example, we are selecting the first prime factor 2. What is the greatest exponent of it? 1 and 4. So 4 is the greatest. The next exponent is next number is prime number is 3. Is greatest exponent 2. We have to list all the numbers. Though the 5 is not in the second number, we have to include it because we are going to write all the prime factors of both the numbers. If there is 3 numbers, here only 2. Where taking that only for that. If there is three numbers also, we have to select each and every prime factors and we have to list it here. So we are going to list it. So what is missing in the list? We have to we have to write all the prime factors. So we have written except 5. So we have to include that. So it's exponent is 1. Let us find the LCM is equal to 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 1 is equal to. So 2 raised to the power 4. What is mean by 2 raised to the power? We have to write 2 4 times and multiply. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 4 into 4 we get 16. So 16 into 9 into 5. 3 square is 9. So 16 into 9, 144 into 5, which is equal to, we get 720. If you multiply, you get the answer 720. So 720 is the LCM. So we've found both the LCM and the HCF now. Let us see another problem. Before going to find another problem, we are going to understand the relation between the numbers, for example, the numbers and its LCM and HCF. Let us understand the relation between two numbers and its between its LCM and HCF. All four things. Two numbers and its LCM and HCF. So we are taking two positive integers A and B, to any positive numbers. Okay. When you multiply that two numbers, A into B is equal to LCM of AB, that same number, into the HCF. So very simple. It is that the product of two numbers is equal to the product of its LCM and HCF. Is it clear? It's very easy one. Using this relation, we can find the LCM. Using this relation, we can find out the LCM of two numbers by we can do the product of two numbers divided by LCM. If we use it, we can find the LCM very easily. Okay, let us see another problem based on this relation. See another problem. Before going to find the answer of it, we should understand how to answer. We should able to differentiate the question we discussed in the beginning of this video and this one. Okay, so here we have to only find the HCF using prime factorization method. The question is very clear that find the HCF of the 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. Then we have a question, right? Hence find its LCM. Hence find its LCM. So let us prime factorize 96. So it is even number divided by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. 48 will get half of 96 is 48. Again 48 even number. So it goes divides by we can divide by 2. So we can get half of that 24. Again 12. 24 is even number. So we can divide by 2. Then half of 24 is 12. Then again we can select 2 because again we are getting even number, so we get 6 times 2 is 12. Again we select 2, we get 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 is a prime number, we stopped there. So let us find for 404. So we can even number, so we can divide by 2. So 202. Again even number 101. Okay, so 101, it is a prime number, so we can't divide, so we can stop there. So let us list out the let us write that product of primes of 96. So 2 raised, how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 raised over 5 into 3. So 404 is equal to 2 raised over 2 into 101. Right? Okay. Now let us find the HCF. So HCF, we just saw how to find it. we have to take the common prime factor, that is 2. Its least component, least power is 2. So that is equal to 4. So HCF is 4. Now let us find its LCM. So LCM is equal to 96 into the number 96 into 404 divided by 4. Okay, so we can simplify this. We can simplify that 101. So we are dividing by 4 table, no? 4 times 4. Okay. So we get 101 here. So now let us multiply 96 into 101. So we'll get the answer. So it is very easy to multiply 101 96. Just what you have to do is 100 times 96. 100 times 96. 100 times 96 is 9600. So one more time 96. So we just add 96 with that. So answer is 9696. So which is equal to 9696 is the LCM. Students, hope you understood. If you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to call me. So thank you for watching.